Good day and welcome back. In this video we're going to quickly run over how I've been doing over the past 2 weeks with the most recent 30 days to learn 10 habits challenge and share some of my learning opportunities and things that I've found out along the way. So let's start off with the first one on my habit tracker up there that you can see peeking in the corner, which is exercise/running. It's been going okay. It's probably the one that I've had the least effort for over the past 14 days, but it's still going. I'm still doing it every day, at least some exercise, be that some running, be that at-home workout, humping the floor, press-ups, or being little spoon to the floor, which is sit-ups. But it's going okay. It could be better. It could be much, much better. But what I've been doing is running in the morning, as you saw in my previous video about my morning routine, and then doing kind of home workout thing in the evening just before I go to bed. Try and split the load a bit. But it's been going okay. I can't wait for the gyms to be open again, which will be sadly next month. But as soon as the gyms are open again, that part of the routine is going to be easy. The next one is journal/planning, which has been going really well. In fact, let me grab it. All right. So in the mornings, I've been doing my planning, which you saw in my previous video. So life goals, year goals, and 10, well, not 10, but a to-do list for the day. And then in the evening, I've been doing reflection. What I have started doing is rereading the previous day's reflection before doing the next day's planning. So I can have a kind of learn from your mistakes kind of mindset, and if I've done some things not so good the day before, improve on them the day after, be conscious of it. So that's been going pretty well, in fact. Next one is meditation, which has been fine. I've been using the Headspace app. You get, I think, 10 free episodes on the basics and then a couple more. So it's been going well. The first day when I tried to do it without any sort of guided meditation was crap. But since I've been using the Headspace app, it's been easy and simple, and it's kind of breathed a little relaxation into my mornings. Following that, we have reading/learning. I have been doing reading every day, and so much in fact that I had to get glasses. Did they suit me? Oh God, they're dirty. But I've been reading this book, which is Black Box Thinking, which is basically about how to learn from your mistakes, cognitive dissonance, marginal gains. It's really good. I'm going to do a whole separate video on this soon, but if you're interested, I highly suggest picking it up. Alright, so next up is practice/skill development, which has been going well. I've been using Duolingo on my phone to learn Japanese, which has been going great, because I would love to travel around Japan. And I've also been practicing the ukulele. Which I've been kind of focusing on finger picking patterns and getting that down because I think they're just beautiful. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, I think about a week and a half ago or something, I posted on my story about Hot UK Deals had a load of different online courses that you could enroll in for absolutely nothing, which I enrolled in about, I think, 9 or 10 of those. So I've been working through a couple of them, which is mainly kind of business orientated, social media marketing, stuff like that. Cold showers. Everybody hates the cold showers, but it's the most enticing, it's the most interesting. I think I've cracked the code. So with the cold showers, at first, for the first week, I was psyching myself up, listening to music, looking myself in the mirror and going, "You must do this, it's good for you," and just getting overexcited about it and kind of anxious, in fact. But then I had a realisation of it's just cold water. And since then, I turn the shower on, stand at the end of the shower with the water hitting my feet and go, it's just cold water, and then walk into it. And it's not as dramatic as it was in the previous videos where I'm effing and blinding, but it's getting easier, and doing it is still uncomfortable, it's still horrible. Some days I still wish that I didn't have to jump into a cold shower, but with that mindset of it's just this, it's just cold water, it's just, what's the worst that could happen? I could be cold. I'm already cold. It's winter. So it's a lot easier now that my mindset's shifted on that. Communication. So how have I been doing with that, really? I've reached out to a couple of old friends. I've reached out to people that I haven't really seen that much. I've reached out to some people that I see more often, but still not a great deal. I've had Zoom calls. I've had all sorts, and it's been great. It's honestly been great to talk to people that I don't live with. I love the people I live with, and without them I would have gone absolutely batshit crazy over lockdown, but it's been really nice to talk to people that I don't see so often. Budgeting, pretty simple one. I made a spreadsheet, I colour-coded it, and I've been tracking every single penny. But the effects of that are going to be seen at the end of the month when we tally everything up. Water has actually been a lot easier than I thought. I do kind of set reminders and set things in my phone to remind myself that I need to drink. Bottle here, bottle there, bottle there. But it's not been too bad. It's just drinking water at the end of the day. You need fluids, and I'm a fluid whore anyway. I drink a lot, but just switching over to drinking more water rather than Pepsi Max. And finally, business focus. So business has been a bit slow towards the beginning of the month, but it's starting to pick up now, which is, thank God. But I've been doing social media posts, I've been doing networking meetings, I've been doing leafleting, all sorts, and it's been going really well. In fact, I'm kind of getting my head around that kind of content generation for business sort of thing. Do you like my dance? You've probably not even reached this part of the video. If you have, comment dance gym dance. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, just punch me in the face, why don't you? And I will see you next week for another video. I will probably be going over the book that I showed earlier on and some thoughts and stuff about that, but not in the classic dyslexic book review format. Let me know if you're excited. Take it easy.